Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. John here. Now I got this great set of mixing heads on Amazon. It's going to fit your kitchen mixer, preferably a Kitchenaid or something along those lines. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this. These are beautiful, polished, food grade stainless steel. Check that dough hook out, guys. See, we got the little lip on there for mixing. That is awesome. It'll be perfect for any kind of batters we're mixing. And here is a whisk too. So if we're doing eggs or anything like that, anything on the lighter side, this whisk is going to be perfect for that. Now these are great for a 4.5 to 5 quart mixing bowl, which is what we have here. Let's go ahead and see how they fit. So first we're gonna put this dough hook on here and see. Look at that, guys. It fits right on there. That is going to be awesome for the mixing we're going to do. And once again, here is the whisk attachment here. Let's go ahead and see that. And same thing, that is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and put this to use in our kitchen and see what we can whip up.